exciting event that celebrates creativity with a purpose. Poster presentation of innovation. This prestigious event has been organized by our institute's esteemed Institutions Innovation Council. Established on November 21st, 2018 at GEMS Vasanthganj, the Innovation Cell follows the guidelines of the Ministry of Human Resource Development Innovation Cell. The MIC established by the Government of India aims to promote innovation in higher education institutions nationwide. The IIC's main goal is to inspire and support young students by introducing them to new ideas and processes through a network of innovation clubs and HEIs. Today, the topic of our event is Ink Your Thoughts, a print ad extravaganza. And to judge today's event, we have with us Ms. Nayogita Chaudhary ma'am. Ms. Nayogita Chaudhary has a unique blend of industry and academic experience. She is an assistant professor in Department of Communication Studies. She has more than 16 years of experience in teaching and 3 years of experience in industry. She is MPhil in journalism and mass communication. She is also the station manager of community radio gyms since 30 years. Her expert areas are photography, TV production, radio production, and event management. I now invite Nayogita ma'am to kindly enlighten us with a few words and analysis of the event.
We'll do it later.
Let's just start the event. Let's move ahead with the theme of the event. The print advertising is an art of persuasion, of storytelling, and of making a lasting impact. Every brand, every campaign, and every ad we see around us tells a story that influences how we think and feel. And today our participants are here to craft those very stories, powerful, creative, and innovative. But wait, there's more. The best entries today will not only win appreciation but also get certificates as well. So put your best foot forward and let your creativity shine. Before starting, I would like to highlight some rules and regulations of the event. Participants must submit their artwork within the given time of the frame. The entries will be judged on creativity, artistic skill, and overall impact of the advertisement. The artwork must be original and created during the competition time frame. Any participant shouldn't use any kind of search platform. Participants must bring their own drawing supplies including paper, pencil, makers, and colors, etc. In addition to that, the time limit will be just for an hour. Participants need to present the print ad idea for at least 1 minute after the completion of the print ad. Now without further ado, let's go and get started with the event.
So you have come. Either. तारी ने नाम कट करा दिया। नाम कट कराया आपने?
Sir, not
I'm not what?
participated.
क्यों?
Sir, miss.
Manan Singh.
हेलो सभी को, मेरा नाम है मनन सिंह। स्ट्रीट फूड फेस्टिवल है, यहाँ पे 50% ऑफ है। आके खाओ पियो, बेस्ट स्नैक्स है, फास्ट फूड है, न्यू आइटम्स है और टेस्टी है। बस
We have is Simriddhi.
Hello everyone, my name is Samriddhi. So my ad is on Nescafe. बेसिकली कॉफ़ी सबकी ज़िंदगी का एक पार्ट बन गया है, सुबह उठने से लेकर इवनिंग बेवरेज तक, है ना। तो डे लाइफ में दिखाई एक कॉफ़ी वर्ल्ड है जिसके अंदर कि आपका पूरे एक रहे हैं कि एक गर्ल एंड अ बॉय है। थैंक यू।
Next we have with us Rishmika.
अश्विता
इस एड में कोका कोला की बॉटल दिखाई गई है। ये बॉटल एक मेल्टिंग आइस है जिससे एक स्लोगन बन रहा है स्टे कूल स्टे कोक। और जैसे बॉटल को दिखाए इसका कलर कॉम्बिनेशन रेड और वाइट, जिससे कि हम रेड और वाइट देखते ही समझ जाते हैं कि कोका कोला है।
Shruti.
Hi everyone, my name is Shruti and I designed a burger ad जिसमें कि मैंने लेयर्स दिखाई हैं पूरी बर्गर की और मैंने इसको दिया है स्लोगन अ बाइट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस कि आजकल लोग सब खाते हैं बर्गर, जंक फूड, फास्ट फूड पसंद करते हैं इसके लिए और खुश होते हैं।
बोलो बोलो बोलो
We have with us Rishika.
Hi guys, I'm Rishika Saxena, BGMC final year. So मैंने Burger King का advertisement को अपना spin लिया है and we have seen lots of Burger King ads, but हम कभी उसका वो actual representation नहीं करते। It is इसके नाम ही King है, it's the King, and we never like really represent it. So I specifically for that concept drew a clown and changed the logo a little bit, so it is more like at first sight you would be looking like their main attraction is their burgers and their Whoppers, so it's like new, bigger and better burger and boldly stating that it's the king of the burgers.
Here to our event, poster presentation of innovations. This event is organized under ISE. The rules for poster presentation of innovations are: participants must submit their artwork within the given time frame. The artwork must be original and created during the competition time frame. Any participant should not use any kind of search platform. Participants must bring their own drawing supplies, including papers.
भी सही है।
people present and for judging the event. To our teachers and students, your presence made this event truly memorable. The results would be announced in a couple of days. Thank you.
used in this are very organic, and at the same time the brand does not use any kind of animal testing while making its products.
So what kind of new things that you add in this? Because organic we are already using, so something new we are.
The thing is cruelty free, like it's already a known fact that most of the brands do animal testing before launching their products or making any sort of product. So basically it does not harm any animal or any sort of use, and that is not good for the environment.
So how you can how animal can test it? आपने बोला ना animal testing and all. So which type of testing is done for taking these type of products?
For example, artificial intelligence is used like developing product. Will it harm the skin or not? So these types of things are done.
ठीक है.
My name is Varun, and I am the president topic of Poster Making on Innovation Day. My innovation poster is on laptops. It is not a big company as something, but it's on the focus of development kits. As जैसे हमने बहुत सारे ऐप्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं, जैसे फॉर एन एग्जांपल हम यूपीटर नोटबुक का ले लेते हैं, वहाँ पर उन्होंने प्लेटफॉर्म्स के सारे ऐप्स को इंटीग्रेटेड करा हुआ है. गिग्स फॉर एन एग्जांपल उन्होंने सारे लैंग्वेजेस के लिए डॉक्यूमेंटेशन प्रोवाइड करी है, बट देयर इज नो ऐप और प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर एवरीथिंग कंपाइल्ड टुगेदर एज एन this kind of one is super app, but for the developers where it integrates majorly all the languages and the kits that it requires. The main focus on this is the logo of the DevDocs app. It is focusing on the friendly environment through the user interface, and down there it is representing the neural networking with integration with every field, where it is intentionally shown in small size because not everyone is going to read all the factors, but also making जो पर्सन इंटरेस्टेड होंगे वो इसको आराम से जूम इन करके भी पढ़ सकते हैं कैसे. बट इट इज डिपेंड कि हाउ न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स कनेक्ट्स विद ईच अदर एंड हाउ डिफरेंट फील्ड्स ऑफ डेवलपर्स, फॉर एग्जांपल वेब डेवलपर्स, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट एंड database management and UI designers, all the developers are integrated with each other and they can proceed in a single platform where they can work on the same project and also find the documentation for their languages and about their own. Majorly I have seen in, for an example, I am using VS Code where we have so much पैकेजेस जिसके सारे हम इसमें प्रोसीड कर सकते हैं, बट देयर इज नो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन कि अगर हम कहीं पे फंस जाते हैं वो कंटिन्यू कर पाते. हमें वो टैब के थ्रू इजीली प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं कि हमें क्या कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए, बट कभी कभी हमें आइडिया नहीं होता कि हमें क्या प्रोसेस करना चाहिए. फॉर एन एग्जांपल कोई लैंग्वेज यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, मुझे ये आइडिया नहीं कि मुझे इस प्रोसेस के लिए कौन सा फंक्शन यूज़ करना चाहिए. So instead of this, there is a documentation file on the other side where you can go and read about it if you want and continue reading it. As its name shows, DevDocs and Development Kit program it is.
और इसमें क्या आपका न्यू फीचर ऐड हुआ है जो अभी तक इसमें अवेलेबल नहीं था?
मैंने पहले बताया कि एवरी प्लेटफॉर्म और जो इतने भी थे वो सब अपने अपने फील्ड में मेन फोकस थे. इट इज फोकसिंग ऑन जस्ट लाइक सुपर एप्स जहाँ पे हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, बट नॉट सुपर ऐप, इट्स फॉर अ सुपर डेवलपर्स एंड डेवलपिंग जेयर all the platform for hands of documentation just like the Geeks for Geeks या फिर W3 School documentation, but we cannot work on it. And as example हम W3 School में वर्क कर सकते हैं, बट अगर हमें DJango पढ़ना है तो हम W3 School में पढ़ सकते हैं, बट हम उन पर रन नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि वहाँ पे सर्वर नीड चाहिए होता है. बट वी कैन रन इट क्योंकि वो अपने ही क्लाइंट का सर्वर यूज़ कर उस चीज़ के लिए, रनिंग के लिए. डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एक हम वेब से कनेक्टेड होगी, बट फोकसिंग ऑन द जो रनिंग कोड्स होंगे वो यूज़र के ही सिस्टम्स में होंगे. नॉर्मली जो कोड्स रन होते थे वो हमारे सर्वर में जाते थे, जिसका हम सर्वर्स में लोड भी पड़ता लेकिन जो रनिंग कोड्स होंगे वो ओनर्स के ही डिवाइस में होंगे, बट द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वुड बी फ्रॉम द सर्वर्स. शिवानी
Good afternoon, respected teacher. Today I am here to present the innovative idea on Facebook. I have made this advertisement and I have made this face which is open like a book, and here we can write our stories, our milestones, our future in a digital format, and the face is like we are connected in a digital world. Here we are more in a tech format. Here we are more oriented in our likes and shares, and so Facebook is a platform in which we can connect with people and through facebook.com, and we can download this app on Google Play and also Google Lite. And there is a poem that I want to recite, that a face of pages stacked so deep, each one a story, memories speak, lines of pixels post untold, a digital past in hands we hold, flipping through moments past and new, a lifetime framed in a scrolling view. Smiles, goodbyes, the joy, the pain, all captured here again and again. Every face a book to read, every post a planted seed. On this canvas we exist, in tags, in shares, in friends we list. For every story find its space, a page, a screen, a timeless place. And though the paper may not turn, in digital ink our hearts still burn. So this is the innovative idea that I thought to present.
तो मुझे लगता है क्लोजिंग
for the supporting the electric vehicles this area. First thing is that I want to say that change is hard for the person. I feel that according to me that we are using petrol, diesel continuously, and we are not able to shift to electric vehicles. Somehow we feel that electric vehicles they don't have the potential of the speed and other things. But change is hard. Day by day changes are hard. But it's not impossible. I have just tried to create an image that in which I have redesigned the logo of BMW just by putting a small plant in the logo, and it is showing that there are two sides. current time, there is a green future for us and there is a dark future for us. By this, if we continuously use the petrol and all the other fossil fuels, it will maybe look like exempted from our environment. And if we shifted ourselves to electric, means there is a chance where our generation can see what was our culture, history, and what we have done. Right? This is the way. And do you think that this is a black and white photo? I want to just share a message from this that our generation will color it. We will not color it. Our decision will tell us how to color it. Okay, this is my.
This is the poster that I have made. In which I have included most of the things that we can think or immediately before the poster that has been already in the market that have been on with some of the food videos or something that man has been born from India and mainly they focus on the design of the fonts, not that extra or another thing. I have created almost everything from the rules that we can integrate. You can see that just in the thing I have included a hot dog chopsticks with ice cream dip, ice cream and many more of the items you can see. From this poster, normal people can see that yes, this is the platform where we can think that I can order everything what I can use.
And also makeup is just like as fancy makeup just makes us more fancier. We should be honest from what we are as a person, and we should always motivate us, and we should not be insecure about our color or whatever. Beauty standards have limited and restricted us, and we should not be living with it, and we should be using makeup just for the sake of it and not be to just hide our insecurities. So innovation क्या है आपके लिए? Well, I have used Polaroid for as it is as a Gen Z today. Basically for the Gen Z to influence them. उनको बहुत ज़्यादा Polaroids वगैरह पसंद है. So I have used Polaroid pictures so that they are more influenced by all these, and I have used line art, which basically says that we women are very simple, and we, as a line, we are very not but as a women, I can say that we are very simple, but yet we are very impactful in the world where we put our efforts. So that is why I use Polaroids and line art for my
afternoon, ma'am. Basically, the point of
ये अपने हाथ में पकड़ के आप जैसे and what is your idea?
My idea was basically making an art that was timeless and
For the idea.
basically the point of this drawing was to make it timeless, as the obvious suggestions are the clock and the infinity symbol. But other than that, if you observe closely, the use of blue suggests, as you know, many cultures look at blue as something that's vast and diverse and endless. Basically, because in earlier times, you know, people looked at the sea and ocean. They are both blue and vast, so that's the inspiration for that. And red has a timeless for quite a while. Even the Egyptians used red for a long time, so that's pretty timeless. And as you can tell, the two arrows symbolizing the time from 0 to 24 hours. And the main inspiration was 20s and 80s that I think is pretty relevant with the hair and the composition. It's supposed to be minimalistic, but also be bold, just like the other art, so that it takes an impact. And
The direction is to
Our participants have worked hard to bring their ideas to life, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us. First runner-up is Trishika. First
participant.
participant is Trishika.
You have to present your ad.
Good morning everyone. I'll be speaking about my ad. I have made an ad on a lip injection that is like two-faced, and I have written in a visual art. It helps you to get plumper lips when you apply it on your lips, and you may look very beautiful after using it.
I think we can clap at least.
Second participant is Lakshita.
Hi everyone, I'm Lakshita, and this is my posters. I made it on Coca-Cola. So I have shown the legacy of Coca-Cola, that it has been from Stone Age to forever. So I'll tell you. So basically I've shown ये Coca-Cola की bottle है. One drop came out from this. Then the king of Egypt drank it. Then Leonardo da Vinci painted Mona Lisa. यहाँ पे जाके it fell, and he painted Mona Lisa with Coca-Cola as paint, and then it fell, and it will also be there in the future, which is era 3025, जहाँ पे there's this flying car, जहाँ पे एक इंसान अपना मुंह खोल के बाहर निकल रहा है flying car से, and this drop then fell into his mouth, and yeah, so I just want to say that.
अच्छा, मुझे अपना आइडिया बताते जाओ एक बार. What's your name?
Now we have with us Simran Kaur.
So my name is Simran Kaur, and this advertisement is of Amul ice cream. By this advertisement, I'm trying to express that Amul ice cream is launching a new range of fresh fruit ice creams. So the fruits are in the ice cream, the fruit pulp. The tagline is freshly picked, perfectly chilled. There is also a QR code which you can scan to play games on the Amul website, and the hashtag used is freshly picked. This is 100% real fruit ice cream. Thank you.
We have with us Nandini.
So basically
ब्रांड की है। ये एक पिंजरा है जो कि बहुत सुंदर है, जिसमें एक लड़की है जिसके विंग्स अगर आप देखो तो वो बहुत कलरफुल है, बट वो कट गए हैं क्योंकि वो सोशल मीडिया के प्रेशर, पीयर प्रेशर, फैमिली प्रेशर, स्किन कलर की वजह से उस पिंजरे में दब गई है। तो ये मैंने इस नायका फैशन के थ्रू शोकेस करने की कोशिश करी है कि जैसे फैशन सबके लिए है, वैसे हमें हमारी सोसाइटी को भी सबके लिए करना चाहिए। कोई ऐसे इतना घुटे ना, मरे ना। सो फैशन फॉर ऑल, ब्यूटी फॉर एवरीबडी, नो लिमिट्स इन फैशन, नायका फैशन। थैंक
It's a brand by Selena Gomez, and there's a quote: "Being rare is about being comfortable with yourself. I've stopped trying to be perfect. I just want to be me." And the brand itself says that each one of you is a rare.
Next we have is Ankit Sharma.
मेरा पोस्टर भी तो लेके
Ma'am, I'm just trying to sell this guitar, which is good in quality. Spruce wood, use US के अंदर. That is it. Thank you.
तो जैसे जेल में सिल्क चॉकलेट का आया था,
बस कुछ नहीं कहना था सिल्क के बारे में।
So Yogita ma'am to kindly enlighten us with her words and brief analysis of the event.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. अंकित ने बहुत अच्छा गाना गाया. Okay, since it is advertising, so we all know that advertising is everywhere. So once we get out of our home, we get to see advertisements everywhere. Whether it's on the road, after on the back of auto, buses, Delhi Metro, you travel by metro, hoardings, so everywhere. So advertising is everywhere. So we cannot in fact imagine our lives without advertising. और प्रिंट एड की बात करें तो इट्स वेरी क्रिएटिव. आप सबके इनफैक्ट जो आइडियाज़ थे बहुत अच्छे थे, बहुत क्रिएटिव थे, बट आपके इमेजिनेशन, आपने विद इन द लिमिटेड टाइम फ्रेम आपने जो अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को इस पेपर पे, इस शीट पे लाया है, दैट्स फैंटास्टिक. इनफैक्ट फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स जिनको पता भी नहीं है कि एडवर्टाइजिंग क्या है, उन्होंने भी बहुत अच्छा किया. एंड फाइनल ईयर और सेकेंड ईयर, सो उन्हें थोड़ा सा अवेयरनेस है. फाइनल ईयर तो पढ़ चुके हैं तो उनको पता है कि कैसे क्या करना है, बट इट वॉज वेरी गुड. So now let's announce the winners. Sahaj, out. And certificates हम अभी देंगे या बाद में देंगे? बाद में provide. अच्छा, okay. So guys, जो भी winners हैं, you'll get your certificate after the event. आप विनीत सर से या सहज से contact कर लेंगे. You'll get your certificates. So ये जो था, इस इवेंट को जज करना काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट था. कईयों में हमें टाइम भी हुआ है, बट वी ट्राइड आवर बेस्ट कि हम आप लोगों को हमारी जजमेंट अच्छी लगे.
Thank you for your inspiring words and wisdom, ma'am. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the result. I would like to invite Ms. Priyanka Oberoi to announce the winners of today's competition.
Good afternoon, everyone. So competition was very tough. So यहाँ पे we have a tie at the third position. Any guesses?
मैम ऋषिका.
And or one is Rishika and next is Shruti. Third position tie.
So these are the ads. Really wonderful. किसी में आइडिया, किसी में स्केचिंग, ड्राइंग बहुत ही
अच्छा अपना है
And shooting के ad वो में तो burger is so tempting कि लग रहा है कि इसको ये लाइव लगा दिया जाए कहीं पे.
Exactly.
Detailing इतने अच्छे से की हुई है. And on second position.
Any guesses?
Amul ice cream.
मैंने भी तो बर्गर बनाया था.
बेटा स्ट्रीट फूड में बहुत कुछ आता है, सिर्फ बर्गर नहीं आता ना. तो गोलगप्पे बनाता. स्ट्रीट फूड वो होता है.
Yes, stand.
सिमरन नहीं, और कौन?
Second position.
लक्षिता.
Her idea is very creative. She is from first year, है ना? तभी I said कि very टाइम मशीन से फ्लाई करके कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गई.
से फ्लाइंग कार का गाना बना.
And first,
सिमरन.
very creative. सारे देखो बेटा थोड़ा. Yes.
Give the pictures as well. Saj, take the podium.
Congratulations to all the winners and participants for their outstanding efforts. Now we call upon everybody's favorite, the coordinator of the event, Mr. Vinay Karma.
Alright, so I'm here for definitely for the last thing, and everyone is waiting कि वो चले जाए. So I'm here for the vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to say one thing here, that efforts matter a lot. You guys came here and you put your efforts here to make this event successful. And our event was not successful if you were not there, right? So your efforts count. To win or to lose, the competition भी चलता रहेगा, winning and losing चलता रहेगा, and it shows that how creative the students of BJMC are. You all have ideas, you all have things to write, you all have, so keep this thing alive throughout your journey here in BJMC, and keep up this thing and keep competing with the students, with other people. Competition में कभी आपको चूकना नहीं है. Keep trying and you will get the success one day, right? So thank you so much for participating in this event, and I would like to thank Ms. Sanyogita Chaudhary ma'am for judging and analyzing this event. She perfectly analyzed today's event, and yes, it was really difficult to choose the best art out of all the creativity that you did today. So thank you so much, ma'am, to judge this program, to judge this event, competition. And now, definitely not least, I would like to thank my organizing team. Start with Sahaj Kaur Lamba, then Naisa for photography, for videography, and Bhavyanshi for photography, and the girl who is not here, Sakshi Kasana. She did all the back-end work to make this event successful. And one more girl, which she was a participant as well, Samriddhi. Thank you so much. And with your all effort, we make this event successful. Thank you so much, everyone. And thank you so much. First years, definitely, you didn't know much about advertisement, but you came, and I really appreciate your efforts. And the girl from BBA department as well. You came from the BBA department, and thank you so much for that, beta. Thank you so much, everyone.